stand by the chain. Fold both pedals, placing your thumb on the pedal arm and fingers on the pedal, then squeeze and pull the pedal up. Spin the nearest pedal to the top. Twist the handlebars towards you. Step on the rear lever and lift the saddle by an inch to release the rear wheel. Then lift the handlebars and saddle to swing the rear wheel underneath the bike in a single movement. Rest the rear of the bike on the ground. Undo the lower hinge. Holding the saddle and handlebars, lift the bike slightly until the front wheel starts to come towards you. Guide it into place with your right foot so that it's parallel to the top tube. To secure the fold, lean the bike towards you and roll forwards slightly on the front wheel until the loop and retaining hook are aligned. Rest the bike back on the ground so that the hook passes through the loop. Undo the top hinge and lower the handlebars. To complete the fold, undo the seat post quick release and lower the saddle. Check that the rear of the bike is resting on the seat post, not on the pedals. The bike will be unstable if the pedals are in the wrong position. To move the pedals out of the way, lift the bike from the saddle and spin them forwards. Remember it like a dance. The twisting of the handlebars, the step on the rear lever, the lift and swing of the rear wheel, the fold and roll of the front wheel, and finally the lowering of the handlebars.